Good, good, good. Welcome to another video. This is assignment 2. The year is 2023. And we are doing now question 4. This is mathematics 1501. All right. Solve the following inequality for x. All right, let's do that. Two x squared plus 5x is less than 3. Okay. First thing is to bring everything to one side. Okay. Okay. Now we need to do what? Now we need to factorize this. How do you factorize this? So now this is what I do. How do you factorize when a here is not 1? It's something other than 1. You do this. You take this and that, you multiply them, they give you what? Negative 6. Now you must find two numbers that will multiply to negative 6 but will add to positive 5. Okay? It's what? I think those numbers are negative 6. No, those numbers are negative 1 and 6. Because if you multiply this, they take you back here. But when you add this, they will take you here. So those are the numbers. Now the next step, I'm going to, so this you can do on a separate piece of paper, or you can do it on this. It's fine. Anyway, it will not be marked down, but you won't get a thing for this, I don't think. So I'm going to rewrite this, and then I'm going to rewrite the negative 3 as well. Okay. Now, this one is rewritten, it's fine. This one is rewritten, it's fine. How about this one now? This one can be rewritten in terms of negative 1x and positive 6x, okay? So I would like to write the positive 6x here. Positive 6x here, okay? And the negative 1x here, so negative x. So if they don't work, you can always interchange them. Bring the negative x this side, bring the positive 6x this side, and see if you get the thing that you're looking for. So what we are looking for is something like this. I'm going now to take out the common factor, which is 2x on this one bracket, and I'll be left with x plus what? Plus 3. Okay, on this one, I would like to take out negative 1. And I'll be left with x plus 3. Can you see that? So if you see izinto ezifanayo kanje, x plus 3 and x plus 3, then you know you are on the right path. you took the right path and it's working for you. Now you group them. You group this one with the negative one. So 2x minus 1 is one group. These are the outsides of the brackets. And the inside of the bracket has another group. So x plus 3, like that. So now, we are here now. This means that 2x cannot equal 1. And x cannot equal half. So I'm solving for x. Why am I saying it cannot equal and not, why not write equal to? It can't equal because you see this. This says it is less than. You see, it doesn't say less than or equal to. Hence, that's why I'm doing this. Or x cannot equal, because of this inequality, negative 3. So I have two solutions, but they are not yet solutions because we said these cannot equal. So what can they equal? Now, this is one thing you must know about inequalities. For equalities like this, we get one answer, right? Or even two. But for inequalities, we get a range of answers, a range of answers, a range of solutions. Okay? So even now, that's what we are looking for. We are looking for a range of solutions. Why is it freezing now? Oh, okay. Thank God. Okay. So now we need to draw a number line. With our solutions, which are not yet our solutions. Our number line will start from negative infinity up to positive infinity. The number line is like that all the time. Negative 3 comes before half. Now, this is very important. You need to take a number from this region. You see this region right here? This region. Let me use a different color. You need to take a number from this region and plug it here. And plug it in your brackets here and observe the signs. You're just observing the signs. So I would like to take 1 because 1 is somewhere here. You can take 5, you can take 10, you can take any number, but 1 will make our job very easy from this region. So let's take 1 and plug it in the space of x and observe the sign. 2 times 1 is what? It's 2. Minus 1 is what? Is 1. So it's a positive. We are observing the sign. Now, 1 plus 3 is positive 4. So it's a positive. Now, a positive times a positive is a positive. Right. Then, this means that the next region will be a negative. And the next region will be a positive. So the regions will have different. You just determine the sign for this one. If it was a negative, here it was going to be a positive, and then here it was going to be a negative. All right. Now we are done with that. So what are we looking for exactly? We are looking for the solutions, the range of solutions. Since this is negative, this is less than. Less than means negative because less than 0 means negative. Okay, so we are looking for the part here that is negative, which is this one right here. It's obviously this region right here. It's negative. Here's the sign. So we are looking for that. Those are our solutions. Now we are writing our solutions. For here, we're going to say negative 3 we write from left to right. -3, there's an open circle, is less than x. X is the region that we marked here. And x is less than half. And that's our solution. So we are done. This is the solution. This is the final answer right here. Okay? Or you can write it as x is greater than -3, or x is less than half, which is the same thing really. You see, this is x, the marked region, and it's greater than -3. So that is true. This is x, and it's less than half. That is also true. So you can write using either of these ways. Any questions? If you didn't understand, then you can go back and watch the video. If maybe you missed a thing or two, but you can okay. Are you guys here?
Yes.
Oh,
We good.
are you fine with this?
Yeah.
All right, okay, fine. I will upload the videos you can watch on YouTube. Let's continue. Let's continue to 4.2. The question says, without solving the equation, right? How would you know that it has two rational solutions? Okay, so I want to share something with you guys. I will share it on the WhatsApp group. So please check on the WhatsApp group, the VIP one, MAT1501. I've sent something there. All right. So we solve how would you tell that it will give two rational solutions without even solving this? So what you do is you take the discriminant, okay, the discriminant, and if it is a positive perfect square or square number, we have two rational solutions. That's from the notes that I gave you there. So and also if it is a positive non-square number, we have two irrational solutions. But if it is a zero, we have excuse me, we have one rational solution. If it is negative, we have two imaginary solutions. Okay. So So what we do is we take the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, right? That's the discriminant. As you know, from your quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is where we are taking the b from. So the b is from here. That's the b. We also have an a. That's the a. We also have the c. That's the c. So that's b, a, and c. We're taking it from there. So first, let's get our equation in this form. Okay. So the equation that we are given is what? It's 2x squared, 2x squared plus 5x and what equal to 3. So getting it into this form, we'll have 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can apply the discriminant now. So the discriminant, if we apply it now, it will be b squared. B is the number next to x, which is 5 here. It's 5 in this case. Minus 4 times a. A is the number next to x squared, and it is 2 in this case. And then c is the constant here, which is negative 3. All right. Now let's work out the discriminant. It will be 25, because 5 times 5 is 25, plus something, because negative times negative is a positive. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Yeah, 24. And we get 49. So if you check your notes, it says if it is a perfect square or a square number and it is positive, then we have 2 rational solutions. So is this a perfect square?
Yes.
Yes, it is a perfect square. The perfect squares are, is it 4 and what? 9, I think. And then 16 as well, right? 25. Also 36. Yeah. And also what? Okay, 49. So if you take the square root of 4, you'll get 2, you'll get 3, get 4, ganjalo, ganjalo. That's why we're saying these are perfect squares, or these are square numbers. Okay, so now that we've determined that this is a perfect square and it is positive, this means that we will have we'll have 2 rational solutions. So we've answered the question. Okay, yeah, then we're done with question. We're done with question 4. Okay. Let's link it with question. Let's link it with question 5, because we still have a lot of time. And question 5 now, it's too simple. It's too there's not a lot of work there. So let's link question 4 and 5, okay? All right. Use percentages to find out in which assignment Debuho performed the best. She obtained 64 over 5 for assignment 1, 52 over 60 for assignment 2, and 36 over 45 for assignment 3. So want to know Igupla performing a no con. All right, so let's do that. Okay. Okay. So in assignment 1, they say she got 64 over 75. Okay. Obviously, this will give us a decimal, right? For it to become a percentage, you must multiply by 100. And that will give you what? 85.3%. Okay, they say for the second assignment, she got 52 over what? Over 60. And if we multiply it by 100, we're going to find that she got 86.7%. And for assignment 3, she got 36 over 45. Convert that into a percentage, we'll get 80%. And just like that, we are done. It's obvious who perform best assignment 2. This is the highest that she scored. So, all right, let's have another session for question 6, since it's, yeah, so that we have separate videos for them. All right, I'll share the link now.